Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create clipping mask. Guys, this is a very important tool because normally while you are creating any banner, flyer, or you are creating any hoardings or even this business card, in that time you will need this kind of tool. So guys, step by step I will show you that how you can use this clipping mask. This is very important tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. I will show you. Okay, so what I will do first, let's take any shape. For example, I'll take this ellipse tool. Okay, now after this let's drag here, and then let's take an image. For example, I've already taken on this image. This is the image. I will just copy it, Control C and then Control V. What I want actually, this image I want to fit into that circle. So if you check here inside the layer, you can see there are two layers, right? This is inner side layer. So what you will need to do basically, this is our inner, that means our circle. So to understand it better, let's fill the color here. For example, we have just filled the color and we need to bring it outside. So currently it's inside, so it's not visible as well. Right click on this and then arrange and then bring to front. Okay, so now we will select the area where we want to be visible. So basically in clipping mask, what happens, mask means hide something. It doesn't delete anything, it just hides the outer part, and whichever area you are covering, so that area will be visible. That means what, it will be reverse. So if you are hiding this blue part, that means what, you are basically going to display that part, and outer side what is visible, that will be hidden. So that is the main idea of this. So now let's do what we will do to make it clipping mask. If you try directly, if you select both of these objects, this one as well as this one, now inside this you can see, okay, select both of these. Here you can see make clipping mask. If you try to make clipping mask, then you will get an error. Okay, so now it's okay, so without error now it worked. So basically what happens here, if it gives you error, then the solution is, let me show you. In case if you get error, okay, if you didn't get any error, then that's fine. In case if you get error, then what you will have to do, and one more thing, if it's inside, for example, if you arrange and then send to back, this one actually, if you inside arrange, if you send to back, it went backside. And now if you try to create clipping mask, going to here, make clipping mask, then you will get in this kind of error. It says that okay, the outer part should be in the front, it cannot be inside, behind the scene. Okay, so that's why we will have to bring it in the top. So what I will do, right click on this and then arrange and then bring front. So which one? This one. We have to bring this one in the front. Have you clicked it? Yes. Bring to front. Okay. Now whichever area you want to display, just click. You have to select both. If you drag, then it will get selected both automatically. Then make clipping mask. Automatically you can see it got clipping mask done. One very important thing here is, if you see, this is our object, the command object, right? So this way you can create clipping mask perfectly. And if you want to make outside border, in that case what I will do, just will go here and then I create something like this, and then go to properties, just disable this, and then outside just take any color. For example, matching color I will take, and then increase its width. And here if I select this one both, then if you select here this vertical, yeah, so now you can see perfectly it got fitted So this kind of shape you might have seen, you know, right, outer side circle. If you want to make it thicker, then rather than this you can make something like this. So this kind of circle you might have seen. Guys, this way you can fit into any object. For example, if I want to fit into this star rather than this, or any pen tool, for example, I'm just taking here pen tool, and I will create a custom shape myself with pen tool. So I'm just going to create abstract like this. Now once again, if I take this image, so let's do one thing. I'll just, so let group it, both of these. Now both are grouped. Let's make it smaller. If you let's make it smaller. Now if I want to fit the image inside this abstract, then same procedure will follow. Just we need to copy. So same way, what will I do? We have the shape now. Okay, we need to copy this, and then once again let's come back to here, and then let's make it bigger, larger. That's it. Now once again we will have to bring it to front. Arrange, bring to front, and we want to display only up to this area. Okay, select both of these and then make clipping mask. In case if it's not visible here, then don't worry, you can go to object and then you can find here clipping mask somewhere. Second shape mask, yeah, clipping mask you can find here and make. So or control 7 shortcut. So if I click here, then you can see it has come something like that. So that, guys, this way you can create clipping mask. That's it. Stay connected. In case you are new in this channel, then I strongly recommend you please subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell button. So guys, stay connected and see you in the next video. Bye bye.